In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic dress edits in the Google Gemini Windows app. We'll take a single photo, tell Gemini exactly how to change the outfit, and let it render a result that keeps the pose and background intact. Follow along on your Windows desktop. All you need is your image and a clear idea of the dress you want. First, with the app open, click the plus sign to upload your image. Choose a photo where the person is fully visible and in focus, with good lighting and minimal motion blur. Higher resolution gives Gemini more detail, so pick the sharpest version you have. If the subject is someone else, be sure you have permission. Once selected, the image appears in your chat window, ready for prompting. Next, write a prompt that is specific about style, fit, fabric, and what should stay the same. Detail helps Gemini render folds and lighting that feel real. Here's a strong example to type. Change the outfit in the image to a fitted, off-shoulder red satin evening gown with a thigh-high slit on one side. Keep the person's pose, body shape, and background the same. Make the dress look realistic with natural folds, proper lighting, and shadows that match the scene. Ensure the fabric has a smooth, slightly glossy finish and fits naturally on the body. Notice how this covers color, silhouette, slit placement, texture, and lighting. You can adapt it to your own design, but keep that level of clarity so the model understands exactly what to change and what to preserve. When your prompt looks good, press Enter. That sends the instructions along with the image. No extra settings needed. If you see the prompt attached to the photo in the conversation, you're set, and Gemini will begin generating the edit. Clear, grounded language usually works better than a long string of adjectives, so keep it direct and descriptive. Now wait while the app processes your request. Time can vary based on your connection and the complexity of the fabric and lighting you described. When the result appears, scan for realistic seams, gentle wrinkles where the body bends, consistent shadows under the arms and along the slit, and highlights that match the scene. The background and pose should remain untouched, and the dress should follow body contours without warping. Remember, precise wording about finish, fit, and lighting yields the most lifelike edits. And that's it. You've created a realistic dress edit in the Google Gemini Windows app.